I am going to do a video on problem solving. Problem solving is very important for leadership. Leadership means not only people in power, people in authority, people who have much to do. Every human being is a leader in his own perspective, in his own area of knowledge. So, problem solving is important for every human being at every step of life. For an ordinary housewife, or a farmer, or a student, or a principal, for everybody there will be problems. So, without problem there is no life. Life is a drama. There should be a conflict. That conflict only gives problem. So for problem solving, we have to first define the problem. Where is the problem? Where is the fault? Why it has come into existence? If we get that problem, what hindrances we have in our work? This is defining the problem. We have to define the problem. What is the nature of the problem? Why you are getting that problem? That is important. Defining the problem is important. And this is important to explain it to others, because problem cannot be solved immediately by only one person all the time. You have to define the problem in order to make other people who are coming forward to help you. So you have to make them understand your problem. It is not enough if you understand the problem. And then sit with that problem, sit with that person and analyze the problem. What are the difficulties you are facing due to that problem? What a problem cannot be only theoretically problem. There will be practical obstacles you are facing, or some sort of lagging behind in life, or some sort of loss that you are getting in life. So all that you explain, you analyze along with that other person with whom you are discussing this. So without discussing, you can't solve any problem. So for problem solving, discussion or consulting other people or taking help from other people is important. Sometimes it is necessary to take help from experts. And so experts related to that particular field of knowledge. So you have to analyze the problem and developmental solutions. You have to develop potential solutions for the solutions for the problem. Potential solutions means really useful solutions, not just mentioning this and that. Potential solutions must be there. So these solutions must be workable, feasible, possible. That we have to talk about. Not one solution, as many solutions as possible. And then we have to think about implementation of the solution. After talking about the solution, we must talk about putting it into action. Implementation means putting it into action. All solutions must be put into action. Don't just give it as a sort of advice. Use it. Start using it from that day itself. And then measure the results and estimate the outcome. You have to measure the results and then estimate the outcome. For example, we have students in a class. They are not coming to a particular class. They are not attending a class regularly. Then this is the problem. What is the problem? Why this is a problem? Why we have to talk about it? What is it from this particular class of students are not coming to class regularly? Because of that I may lose my job. This is my problem. You have to talk about it with your principal, your HOD, your other people related to it. Because all other people are also related to the same class. So what they are facing, what type of management they are doing, what type of solution they have taken, that they can give you as guidance. So don't keep it as a secret. You have to define the problem. You have to discuss it with other people. Present it along with other people in front of the audience. That is very important. And the second thing is analyze the problem. What is the problem you are facing? For example, in my class, students are coming half an hour late, 1 hour late, or at the end of the class they are coming in a 2 hours class or 3 hours class, they are coming like that. If they come like that, what will be the problem? They're interested in learning. But when they come like that, they're disturbing the class. And half of the class is over, I have to repeat the same thing again and again. Or they are making noise and disturbing other people. And I cannot complete my portion. They cannot complete their portion. They cannot learn that particular point, and which is breaking the link of other points. So later on they will find it very difficult. They will ask me to teach again. How can I teach again? I don't know. My time is very limited. For a few students, I cannot take the class again. So this is a problem I am facing. I have to tell them. So this is analyzing that particular problem. Then we will get solutions. So what are the solutions? We can think of solutions. I can find the solutions like this. I can change the timing of that particular class, or I can take a set of students away from the class and teach them again, or I can cancel the whole class. We can appoint another teacher for that class, or the students can be given work when they come late, depending on the work that is already covered in the class. So if we tell like this, these are all solutions, possible solutions. Here for this particular point, these solutions, each solution has some value. So let us use all these solutions, a little bit of it. Not every day. Whenever we have a particular type of problem regarding this absenteeing of the students, then depending upon the problem that we are facing every day, we can use a different solution. So, and then put it into practice. From next day itself, we will put it into practice. And then we will see what the result is after 1 week. There will surely be improvement.